Hey, it's Garrett from John the Plumber here. All right, so me and Owen today wrapped up, full utility sink pipe up, shutoffs for the laundry machine.
Once the team arrives at the job and unloads the van, they get started on installing the new customer-supplied utility sink and new lines for the washing machine. First step, shut off the water lines and drain any remaining water in the pipes. Then, it's on to prepare the mixing valve for the customer-supplied utility sink. Once the mixing valve is ready, they secure it into the sink. Then, they attach the faucet spout, get the sink in place, make sure it's level, and secure it down. Now, we attach the trap primer lines. These lines attach to the faucet and supply water to the P-trap, a curved pipe under your sink, to prevent it from drying out. P-traps keep sewer gases from entering your home by blocking the gas with water. If your P-trap is dry, harmful sewer gases will leak into your home. Once the trap primer lines are set, we attach the new copper PEX couplings, press them in, and start installing the PEX lines to run hot and cold water to the utility sink and washing machine. The team is using a ProPress, an effective plumbing tool that can produce thousands of pounds of pressure. This ensures that no leaks will occur at the fixings, creating a watertight seal. We're also using a manual pipe crimper, but this tool is limited to the user's strength. Once the lines for the utility sink and wash machine have been installed and pressed, they install new shutoff valves just above the utility sink and shutoff valves for the laundry machine. Shutoff valves are important in high-use areas like your sinks, toilets, and laundry machines. And in case of an emergency, you're able to shut off the water being supplied to those areas instead of your whole house's water supply. Once the shutoffs are installed, they get started on the ABS drain piping for the utility sink. Can't have that water drain onto the floor. Once that's installed, we test the taps and drains to ensure that there are no leaks at the fixtures or the drain. With no leaks present and everything draining properly, we get started on cleaning up.
We're all good to go at this house here.
Utility sinks are a great addition for your home. Not only can they be used for pre-treating stains or hand washing laundry, it's also a great addition for things like cleaning household items like paintbrushes, mops, tools, or other things you wouldn't want near food or personal hygiene sinks. It's also a water source for larger basins like mop buckets or watering cans that may not otherwise fit in other sinks. Having a utility sink in your garage or basement allows you to quickly rinse hands or tools so you don't track dirt through your home. It's also great for emergencies if your other sinks are unusable. Lastly, utility sinks in garages or laundry areas increase your home value and its functionality. If you're looking to get a utility sink installed or replaced, or install new valves or fixtures or shutoffs on your lines, then call the experts at John the Plumber.
Call us at 613-227-7465 or visit johntheplumber.ca for fast, friendly services from Ottawa's top-rated plumbing pros.